welcome or welcome back, loves. You already see what time it is. We are getting into another glueless, might I add, install. 100% glueless, no lace spray, no glue, no ball caps, no nothing. So we see we are working with that purple box today. Thank you, LUVME Hair, for sponsoring today's video. So today we are working with this super cute highlighted water wave unit. It is a 5x5, I believe, but if I have it incorrect, I will put it on the screen. Pretty sure it's a 5x5 though. But what I want to say here is there was plenty of parting space. So you could do a middle part, you could do a side part, you could do a deep C part, you could do like the comb over method. You have plenty of space. Also, I love that the middle of this unit was ventilated. So that means that you can stick your finger right through there. You don't have to worry about having an inchy scalp anymore, sweetie. You don't have to do the pat, pat, pat. We don't have to do that anymore because we can reach inside of our head. I also like that it had this non-slip grip on the back of the unit. So that way when you put it on, that wig is not going anywhere. This wig already came pre-plucked, pre-bleached. All we had to do was throw it in the I was about to say throw it in the washer. Lord have mercy. Do not do that. We want to give it a good wash though. So I'm going to do something a little different than I normally do. I'm going to go ahead and trim my lace, which is nothing out of the ordinary. But instead of waiting to put my lace tint on, I'm actually going to put my lace tint on while this wig is still wet. And then I'm also going to take just a smidgen, sorry for my ashiness, Lord. I'm going to take a smidgen of my foundation and I'm going to apply that right to the outer edge of that lace where I trimmed it. I guess in my mind, I'm like, okay, if the wig is wet, then if I apply these products, they can just dry into the lace and into the wig as the hair dried overnight, because I did prep this the day before. I was like, you know, I like the super wet look, but you'll see later that I did fluff it up and it still held the curls or the waves really nicely. So only one product here, not using a whole lot of products, not going in with 5 to 10 different products, one product, and that is my curling mousse that I had on hand. So really and truly, it doesn't matter what type of mousse you have, you just need something to be able to separate those curls. So as you can see, we kicked up the speed a little bit because, you know, it takes about maybe a good 5-10 minutes to get through depending on how many sections you do. But I wanted to make sure that I gave the hair a really good separation because I let this air dry. Like I said, I did it at nighttime and I didn't put it on until nighttime the next day. So a full 24 hours and it was actually still a little wet. But this is, you know, how the wig turned out. We gave it just a little bit of trim, not too much, just giving it a little shape in the front. And then you see, I left those little bitty hairs out at the top. I'm not doing baby hairs, but I just want that super, super, super like natural kind of swoop over on the top of the hairline. Like I said, you're gonna see how it all comes together. Last thing is just going in with some Eco Styler gel to just really give the hair a good scrunch, and that is it as far as the preparation of the hair. So let's get into how I went ahead and applied this wig in as little as 3 seconds. We are ready to go ahead and put this unit on our head, which is going to be a 1, 2, 3. I just want to go ahead and point out, I let this wig air dry for 24 hours. I let it dry for a day just because I really like when the waves air dry versus being blow dried. I don't know. It just makes it look like really wet and wavy. I don't know. Maybe I could just be tripping, but that's what I like to do. So like I said, yesterday when we went ahead and customized it with the bare minimum customizations, I don't even know if I would call it that, but I put that foundation right there along the hairline and then I went ahead and sprayed it just because I wanted that to dry. I've never done that, but we'll see if it really changes anything. I mean, that blended right into my skin. Like, Do y'all see how that just blended right into my skin? I know y'all saw that. Y'all saw it. I already know. I don't want to run my fingers through because I don't want to lose the definition that's already there, but I do want to fluff it up because, you know, on this side, you can tell this is like completely air dried. It's definitely giving that wet and wavy look, but just separating it just a little bit with my fingers, you can start to see the fullness coming through. And that's how I like to wear my units. I don't like the super, super wet look just because it looks flat. And like I told y'all, I got a big head. I'm gonna keep repeating that because it's the truth. So that's what I mean, like, you know, that little natural comb over look, that's what I'm going for. So that's what I'm trying to create, just to give it like a very natural, realistic look. I didn't blow dry it for long. I just really focused on the roots and kind of like scrunched it up, as you guys saw. And I mean, look at the difference. Now the fullness is giving the fullness that I like. And then, like I said, look at that hairline. Like, you guys, I mean, 10 out of 10. 10 out of 10. Look at these highlights. We see the browns, the blondes, the blacks, and it's like a very subtle highlight too. Like, it's not doing too much. You can definitely wear this at any point in the season. To me, I feel like this is giving summer, but it's also giving fall. It's giving winter. Baby, it's giving whatever you want to, especially because it's a glueless wig and you can put it on whenever and wherever. You don't have to worry about anything. But I think this is such a beautiful unit. And let's turn around. Let's check the length. Checking the length, we see that the curls are curling all the way down to the bottom. I can't remember exactly what length this is, but I'll definitely make sure that I put it on the screen. But isn't this so pretty? And like I said, I honestly think, now I don't know if I'm just crazy, but I honestly think that me putting on my lace tint spray and putting on my foundation right there along the edge of the hairline while the hair was wet made a difference. I could be crazy, I don't know, but I think it really did make a difference. Like, it just, again, you guys see the hairline, you see that it went right into my skin. Lace wear, it is 100% glueless. You guys see, I threw this on in a matter of seconds. Comment down below. Like I said, tell me what you guys think of this wig. Once again, thank you so much, LUVME Hair, for sponsoring another video. Thank you, thank you, thank you. And you guys, if you want to shop this look or any other look on LUVMEhair.com, make sure that you check my description box below because there will be a coupon code to save you 25% off. If you know like you know, then that's because you've been here and you already know what I'm about to say. But if not, this message is for you. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button below, babe. And also make sure that you are hitting that notification bell as well so you can see when the videos are going up on my channel. Yeah, I'm gonna get myself together. I'm going to get myself together. Until next time, love. Bye.